Get ready to cheer for this one-of-a-kind, never seen before DIY. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney. Wait till you see what I have in store for you. Let's go! We are kicking off with this DIY that I am so excited about because I have not seen anyone make anything similar to this, and it's such a fun project. You're going to want to pick up a few supplies. We are making a Christmas theme letter jacket. Now, I bought all of my stuff for this project on Amazon, so I will link it down below for you. The letter jacket I really like because it is kind of like a sweatshirt fleece material, so it's perfect. And the patches were all just iron-on, so you don't need any special tools. You can use an iron or a heat press. So I'm starting on the right-hand side, or I guess the left-hand side of my jacket when you're wearing it. And I ordered some chenille patches, and I'm using my mini heat press on setting 2. If you end up buying this exact jacket, which they have in several different colors, red, pink, you could do gingerbread theme with pink. I mean, so many options. You want to make sure that you don't do super high heat because this is 70% polyester, 30% cotton. So I'm using my mini heat press on the second setting. And I'm just ironing down my patches. Now the NP stands for North Pole. And I was going to put a U on there to do university, but I wasn't, when I wore it or when I put it on to see kind of where the patches were going to hit, I did not like how it looked. So I just stuck with the NP and then attached 2 of these patches. I got a big set of patches. I mean, super cheap. I think they were less than $10. Again, it'll all be linked down below. And then I also found this really big gingerbread patch to put on the other side, kind of like the mascot for the school. Now I am going to end up putting North Pole University on the front of the jacket, but I'm going to do that at the end. So once you attach to the front, you want to just flip your jacket inside out and go ahead and press the back as well. About 15 seconds, just continuing heat on those patches. Once the front was done and I liked how it looked, I flipped it over to the back. As with any letter jacket, usually there's a last name on the back. So I decided to go with the word Merry. Now, I was going to put Merry Christmas, but I ran out of space, so I'm just sticking to the Merry and again doing the same thing, pressing the front and then flipping it so that I can press the inside of the jacket as well. Now it's time to do the arms, where all the patches go, just like they do on a letter jacket. Now, for this particular jacket, you want to make sure that the shoulder seam is kind of in the middle, and then there's also a seam on the sleeve. Just make sure that on the front you're looking and you've got your shoulder seam kind of centered. Underneath the sleeve, you should have that seam running down the middle, and then the patches will be placed perfectly. And I'm just, again, going to iron on the patches, just like I ironed on the rest of them. The last thing is for North Pole University, my original plan was to hand embroider North Pole University with that candy cane embroidery like I did on the beanie. But when I started doing it, it really just did not look very well. So I got some iron-on vinyl and just printed out North Pole University. You can grab this file down below as well. And then I just ironed it on. And now my letter jacket is complete. I have gotten so many compliments on it. I've only been able to wear it once because it's really hot here. But I've already got several people wanting me to make them one and sell it. So I'm telling you, such a fun, customizable Christmas project.
I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy, but now this year is twice as special 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention, giving you a smile.
Here's an idea for something you can do with maybe something you already have, or you can pick up for super cheap to do. Now, I had these snowflake lamps that I picked up on clearance last year for $3 each from Target, but they were corded. So I needed to make them cordless, and what I did is I picked up these cordless light bulbs, or rechargeable light bulbs, sorry, that I could put inside of these lamps so that I could put them where I wanted them to go. Now, a quick little tip about this. Corded lamps versus cordless It's actually often cheaper to buy a corded lamp and just cut the cord than it is to go ahead and buy a cordless lamp. Now, if you don't have this snowflake thing, you can pick up a plain lamp from Walmart for cheap, Amazon, and all you have to do is just add a wooden snowflake to it. You could add a wooden Santa. You could add so much to an actual lamp to make yourself a cute little Christmas lamp. This rechargeable light bulb's great. It came in 3 different colors and remotes, so it was perfect. And now I can finally use these after 3 years of having them just sit in my storage closet because I could never find an outlet to use them.
Fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by
Here's a quick little makeover on some candlesticks that I picked up last year from Goodwill, and I just wanted to give them a fresh look. So I decided, you know what? The easiest way to do that is just to add some spray paint. Gold is all the trendy rage right now, so I was like, why not? I'll add some gold to these. So I spray painted these trees solid gold, but then I decided that I wanted to add a little something extra to them. So I grabbed some Mod Podge and wait for it, glitter. Yep, that's right, glitter. And I sprinkled some little glitter on the branches just to kind of add a little shimmer to this. And that's it. That's all I did. A very simple makeover on something that I already had. I didn't have to pay any money because I had all the supplies. So again, if you're kind of itching to get new Christmas decor, look at what you have and see what you can refresh on a budget.
as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland?
Now, you guys might remember this from last year. So this is my delivery driver thank you cart. I do this every year as a random act of kindness for my delivery drivers. Last year, I upgraded to this cart that I picked up on Amazon, added some vinyl. I used to do a bucket, but I thought, you know what? Let me show you what I'm stacking my little cart with this year and maybe give you some ideas for snacks and treats for your delivery drivers and postal workers.
Cold night, but I'm warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? See you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast. I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down.
That's going to wrap up today's project. Let me know down below which one of these was your favorite. Also, check in. How is your Christmas shopping going? I am behind. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Here are some more videos you might want to check out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Longing for this Christmas when everyone's around to share this holiday. Yes, it's a time of happiness, a time of joy.